Let's take a tour of the Limelight property at Snowmass. This is a ski in, ski out property. We stayed in a standard king room. Okay, we're doing a room tour of the Limelight. This is on the 4th floor. So when you walk in, there's lots of hanging space and all sorts of storage. It's a good spot for ski boots right down there. And hooks, we love hooks. This is like the little mini efficiency. Got a little fridge there, very nice. Microwave, glasses. I mean, I don't think you're actually cooking anything here, but maybe coffee. Okay, then you have the living space. So you could do a little takeout, a little room service over there. You've got a couple drawers and the TV and nice big king bed looking out the window. Okay, right below us is the skating rink. You can see the little lounge down there. Okay, bathroom tour. Nice full-length mirror. Hey. Okay, so we have a nice big shower. More hooks, very important. Big vanity. And the private potty room, which is always appreciated. The resort comes complete with a ski valet room. There's also a sizable gym, and the common area is well designed with plenty of space for kids to run around. We also love the heated outdoor pools. Limelight is a great home base for your Aspen Snowmass holiday.